This is Sean, and I'm in my cabin. That's going to be a window, and that's my stapler. And that is well, it used to be my box of nails. But about 3 or 4 weeks ago, a bird laid eggs in there. Now the bird, and anyway, the birds hatched. Now these little birdies have been quiet all day long, but then I hammered a few nails and they got scared, so they've been chirping. So let me show you the birdies. Hello, birdies. How's my birds? Here's some cute little birdies. No, you're not supposed to touch birdies, because the mama will come back and she'll say, these birds, they smell like Sean, so I'm not going to feed them anymore, or something like that. I'm in the upstairs of my cabin, and it looks like Daddy Longlegs are starting to move in. There's a couple of them right there, and for some reason there's like about, I don't know, 15 of them right there, and they're all standing next to each other. I think a Daddy Longleg is a spider, so that's like 120 legs. I'm gonna go get something here. My big old ruler. I'm gonna poke them. Oh, gotta be careful not to fall downstairs. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fall on the ground. That gets them excited, doesn't it? Ooh. So I decided to come in here and lay down on my little cot, my sleeping bags for a few minutes. Then so I flipped open my sleeping bag, and boy did I find a surprise. He's not there anymore because he fell on the floor here. I went under this chair. I don't know where he is. Let's see. Oh, there he is. Hey, where is he? Come here, you little fart knocker. Ah, he's in the chair. There he is. Oh, he likes that chair. Little sneaky. No, no, no. I see your beady little eyes looking at me. Huh? Now you're going under there, huh? All right, Duncan, we took care of him, didn't we? This is the guy that was in my bed.